How to fix the Tinder messages not sending. Hey guys, let's get started. Are you trying to send messages from Tinder but it is not going? The first problem could be because of internet connection, so make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. If not, you can switch between networks. Next up, what you can do is refresh and restart the application. Now try to send messages and this should probably work. However, if it does not, let's move on to the next solution, for which you'll have to update your application. To do so, if you are in Android, open your Play Store, tap on the search bar which is on the bottom right, search for the Tinder application, and if there is an update button, make sure to tap on it. This should probably work. If it does not, next solution would be long press the Tinder app, go to app info, and then tap on storage and cache and clear your cache. After that, restart your device and then try to log in, and then you should be working. However, if it does not work, also check for the server side of Tinder. Likewise, another step that you can follow is reinstall the application by uninstalling it once. So these are some of the possible solutions. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.